convert PDF into Word document. Believe me guys, it's very easy. If it helps you, don't forget to like and comment. You have to only open website small www.smallpdf.com. That's it. Now here you can see different options. We have to only open PDF to Words. Click on it. Now here you have to open your desired document that you want to convert into Word. You can either click on it and choose your file, or you can directly drag and drop it here. Select, drag and drop it here. It's uploading. Okay, now what you have to do, this, select on it. Okay, it's converting. Don't worry, format will be same. Okay, now here you can click on it. Okay, it's downloaded now. Now we can, okay, so this was the original document. Here you can see in PDF format. Now it is converted to Word. Now let's check it. How you can see the same format, and it's converted to the Word. So that's how you can convert PDF into Word document without any software, and it's completely free. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to like and comment.